Are you an outlet filer who needs to file a sales tax return? This video will show you how to file your return using Webfile. From our homepage, select the blue Webfile button. Be aware that the Webfile eSystems times out after 1 hour of inactivity. And remember, you can pause this video at any time. In order to access your account, log in using your user ID and password. If you don't have a Webfile account, check out our How to Create a Webfile Profile video to create an account. Note, this example is for a user who has already assigned a taxpayer to their account. For information on assigning a tax, please watch our How to Add Tax Account Taxpayer Association video. In the My Taxpayer Accounts section, select the taxpayer card with your taxpayer information. If your account isn't listed, click the blue Assign Taxes Fees button to add it to your account profile. For information on assigning a tax, please visit our How to Add Tax Account Associations video. Let's get started filing your sales and use tax return. Select the button next to File Original Return and select Continue. Select the period for which you are filing. If you are set up to file monthly, you will see the period in the year monthly format. For example, the numbers 2002 represent February 2020. If you are set up to file quarterly, you'll see the period in year quarter format. For example, 201 represents the first quarter of 2020. Selecting this period means you are filing for January through March of 2020. If you are set up to file yearly, you will see the period as the year format. Select the period and select Continue. After reviewing the disclaimer, select Continue. On the Credits Taken page, answer the questions about the credits taken and the licensed custom broker's exported sales. You must answer both questions before continuing. These questions are for informational purposes only and do not affect the calculation of your return. If you are selecting Yes, you will no longer be able to follow along with this training video. If you need assistance with credits taken, please email us at webfile.help@cpa.texas.gov or call 1-800-442-3453. Select No to continue. If you're not a licensed customs broker, answer no. If answering yes to this question, enter the amount refunded for this return for items exported outside the United States from all Texas licensed custom broker certificates. Answer no to continue. If you have no sales tax to report, click this box and select Continue. Now let's complete the total sales, taxable sales, and taxable purchases section. Enter the amounts in this section in whole dollars only. For example, $100.96 would be entered as $101. The first field you must complete is total sales. Enter the total amount, not including tax, of all sales, services, leases, and rentals of tangible personal property, including all related charges during the reported period. The second field you must complete is taxable sales. Enter the total amount, not including tax, of all the taxable services and taxable sales, leases, and rentals of tangible personal property, including all taxable related charges made during the reporting period. The third field you must complete is taxable purchases. Enter the total amount of all taxable purchases. Taxable purchases are taxable items purchased, leased, rented for personal or business use on which sales tax or use tax was not paid. This includes purchases from Texas or out-of-state sellers, or items taken out of inventory for use, items given away, and items purchased for an exempt use but actually used in a taxable manner. Taxable purchases do not include inventory items being held exclusively for resale. After you've completed the total sales, taxable sales, and taxable purchases section, select Continue. On the Sales Tax Review page, you can review the data you've entered before you submit it. If you need to change any return data, select Edit Credits Taken or Edit Location. When you're done reviewing your data, select Continue. This is only a review page, and a return has not been submitted yet. You will now be prompted to make a payment, or you can file a report with no payment. If you file and pay by the due date, you'll get a timely filing discount. Webfile calculates the timely filing discount for you. You'll see the confirmation page once you've submitted your return and/or payment. You do not need to send a paper return. It's very important to print or save this page for your records. Once you file electronically, you'll start receiving email reminders. This concludes how to file an outlet report. If you need further assistance, please email us at webfile.help@cpa.texas.gov or call 1-800-442-3453.